3 ways AI can help your hotel's front desk provide outstanding customer service. Hi, I'm Natalie at Travel Outlook. Today, I'd like to share how to use guest-driven conversational AI to focus your hotel's front desk on what matters most, your hotel guests. AI is often viewed as the opposite of customer-focused service in the hotel industry. That's because hospitality is a people-driven industry, which means customer service is crucial. Thanks to Travel Outlook's Annette, the hospitality industry's leading conversational AI virtual hotel agent, you can revolutionize guest communication. Here are 3 ways Annette can help you provide unparalleled customer service to your hotel guests today. First, the labor shortages in hotels. Along with guests' increasing expectations for speed, make artificial intelligence a necessity. With Annette, your hotel can save thousands of dollars by handling large call volumes and frequently asked questions. Second, Annette communicates effectively with all guests, regardless of their generation. From Gen Z to boomers and text to chat. Whenever Annette answers the phone, guests will always be spoken to with a warm tone, helping guests feel at ease knowing they are in good hands. Lastly, it is not uncommon for hotel employees to assume roles and responsibilities beyond their area of expertise, especially front desk staff. AI, however, is here to assist, not replace hospitality professionals. Thanks to Annette, your front desk staff will be able to focus on the most important aspect of their job, serving guests. The future of customer service is here. A virtual hotel agent powered by artificial intelligence can revolutionize the way you communicate with your guests. Find out how Annette can improve your hotel's voice channel while minimizing fixed costs. Please visit traveloutlook.com/Annette or call toll-free 844-TRAVEL-OUTLOOK. That's 844-872-8356 to learn how much Annette can save you.